Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckinridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for this week's Tiger Minute, just to keep you up to speed of all the happenings and events that are going on here at the high school. This is something we plan on updating weekly, and just so we can keep everybody, all parents, students, staff, and the community involved and up to date with what's going on here at the high school. We've had an outstanding start to this week. Today is Monday, August the 12th. So we've had a great start to this week and had a wonderful first 3 days last week. A little untraditional than normal. We had our normal back to school day last week on Wednesday, where we met with all of our students in our class assemblies and had a great paper at the end of the day. And then on Thursday, we welcomed all of our students back with a practice ACT. So I believe that kind of got everybody in the feel of how school is supposed to be, and had a really good day, really nice day. So really glad that we had that take place. Then had a great Friday. We got back to a normal schedule, normal routine. Got everybody back in their classes today. Same thing. Got everybody in their normal classes. Finished up our finishing up our schedule changes. And then also had a fire drill today. Conducted a fire drill. We got to go through all of our drills within the first 30 days of school, and those must include 2 fire drills, 1 lockdown drill, 1 tornado drill or severe weather drill, and 1 earthquake drill. So we got our fire drill done today. Rest this week coming up, just be a normal week. Do have some sports athletic events that I'd like to mention, and then also just a couple of things too that I will put a link on our website for this. But we do have a school spirit shop that's available through BSN Sports. I'll put the link on our webpage where you can click on there. But be sure you go on there. It's got some nice polos and hoodies and quarter zip shirts, shorts, a hat, some shoes. Just get all of your Tiger gear for the upcoming sporting season. Will be right there on that shop. Also, as well, on the link to the front of the webpage there, I will have a link for our Tiger 100 cards. The Tiger 100 card is $100. And the link will be here to fill that out. You can come here to the front desk and get that here at the front door with our bookkeeper. Athletic-wise this week, we do have our boys and girls golf team are in action this afternoon. They will be traveling to Hancock County. And then our soccer team is in action tonight as they will be hosting Taylor County. That game's at 5:30 here at Tiger Field. Tomorrow, Tuesday the 13th, our girls and boys golf team will be at Butler County. On Wednesday, our Lady Tiger soccer team will be traveling to Meade County in a big district rival game here early in the season. And then our boys and girls golf team again will be in action on Thursday the 15th. And then it'll be at Grayson County. And then our boys and girls golf team will be hosting Hancock County on Friday the 16th. Also on Friday the 16th, we'll have a football scrimmage, as that'll be at North Bullitt. Also on Friday during the school day, our FFA will be taking their state fair trip. Saturday, we'll see our soccer team hosting Louisville Butler. That's at 11 o'clock in the morning. And then our boys golf team will be traveling to Hancock County for their tournament. And that concludes this week's Tiger Minute. Please feel free to visit our website for more information. And I'll leave you just how we start every day here at the high school. Everybody work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.